Good morning, everyone. Thank you for watching Eyewitness News. We're in legal counsel right now at 8:30. That means you can call us with a legal question if you have one. 436-1212. So all you have to do, pick up the phone and dial. And you can talk to Attorney Charlie O'Hara. Good morning, Charlie.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming today.
Sure.
All right, going to get to the phones. We do have some callers on the line. Good morning. What's your question today?
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. O'Hara, I have a question for you. Someone from the community where I live went out of his way to put some medical information out, my private medical information, and the consequences has been very negative. And the worst thing is the slandering, and the information they put out is not accurate, it's not true, and but the damage is done. And what can I do to protect my family from all these?
Well, that's kind of an interesting question. People call us all the time about people saying bad things about them and putting them out, and it used to be it was kind of a big deal. Anymore, my own opinion is so many people say so many things about different people. A lot of things don't have much believability, and I don't usually judge people till I know specifics about them. But it's real hard to sue for slander. You've got to really prove some things that it was intentionally done, it was done on purpose to hurt you, and then you've got to show damages from them. The fact that there's rumors going around or something like that, I think we've all had to deal with that when we were in school, when people would say bad things about us and things like that, and you have to learn to deal with it. And I guess slander exists, but it's very difficult to prove in court. You'll waste a lot of money trying to prove it and probably not get many results.
Man, that's just so bad, though.
Well, it is, and with the internet, it even gets worse. People can just put anything on there under an anonymous name, and it'll be out there, and they can say bad things about you, and you really need to consider the sources and the reliability of the information you consider.
All right, thanks for your call. We sure appreciate it. And we have time for another one. Good morning. You have a question for Attorney Charlie O'Hara?
Yes, I do. I was a potential victim of a scam. I received 2 fake money orders in the mail, and I was instructed to mail a portion of that to the Philippines. I recognized it as a scam right away, and I took it to the bank, and they verified that they were not real, that I also reported to the post office. Is there anything else that I need to do that will help to track these people down?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of places that have to do with consumer fraud and things like that. That's a crime. It could be a federal crime if you took it to the post office. It also could be a state crime with the district attorney's office here in Wichita would consider it. You could also take it to the attorney general's office that has a consumer fraud division. People like to stop those scams and they go on. People should be real careful if something doesn't make much sense or it's too good to be true. You really need to look at it, because there's a lot of people trying to take you out of your money, and you've got to be real careful. We always kind of laugh at the office. There's always a new scam coming in, and you need to watch it. People, once it's done, it doesn't work very good, but the first time it's done, it sometimes works.
Yeah, and it's that old saying is, if it sounds too good to be true, then it is normally.
That's a correct statement.
Yeah.
That is true.
Well, Charlie, thank you.
Sure.
We'll see you next week.
Okay, sounds good.